guys, I'm back again. Today we're gonna unbox my new tripod. We're gonna unbox my new tripod from Ulanzi MT-16 extendable vlog tripod. Yeah, and I'm in a hurry, so we'll just open it. No need to read anything. So this is what it looks like when you're using it. Wow. So it includes with 2 Ulanzi stickers, UUrig. Okay. And this is the main product. And it looks good. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels very premium. And there's like a magnet in here if you see these circles. So when you close it, it will stick together. It will not open by itself. And about the extension, I don't know how to do it yet. Okay. And you can also mount phone, light, external light for vlog or microphone. And yeah, it has a ball head. It's adjustable, so you just need to loosen it a little bit to adjust the ball head, then tighten back. So that's it, guys. That's my quick unboxing of the Ulanzi MT-16, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.